that I be living, it be fresh. Yeah, I've been going through a lot of pressure. Yeah, dealing with a little depression. Yeah, it feel like I'm being battle tested. Yeah, in 2024, I lost my mom from a brain tumor. Damn, yeah, it took my soul. I learned real quick, you never know. And all of that hurt, I had to let it go. Since that, I never been focused. I hit it well, cause most didn't notice. I covered it up like Trump did COVID. When I made the beat, I knew it was my moment. From a routine checkup, they ended with the doc telling me she won't wake up. My God, that right there is a wake up. All that time I had, no more makeup. Raising 3 young men is pressure. I'm scared, fuck it, that's my confession. I'm fully aware that this is a lesson, but through it all I know this is a blessing. The life that I be living, it be fresh. Yeah, I've been going through a lot of pressure. Yeah, dealing with a little depression. Yeah, it feel like I'm being battle tested.